Hello, I'm Don Miller, and I'm the director of Touchstone Digital. We are a team of digital marketers who strive to create custom web strategies to help you address your unique goals. And one of our efforts as a digital agency is optimizing Core Web Vitals. Core Web Vitals are user-centric performance metrics used to evaluate a web page's relevancy and rank it against other pages. The metrics are broken down into three main categories: largest contentful paint, first input delay, and cumulative layout shift. No, I didn't just make those up. Those are literally Google's terms.
Largest contentful paint is the time it takes for your site to load. Google measures that time from when the page starts to load to when the largest image file or text block finishes loading. Your goal is to keep that gap as short as possible. First input delay is the amount of time it takes for a web page to become fully functional for users. More specifically, it's the time between a user's first interaction with a page element and when the browser processes that interaction. Cumulative layout shift calibrates the visual stability of your site. CLS used to be calculated solely by what Google called an impact fraction, which is how much of the user screen is impacted by the instability of your web page. This is now based on how far the components move on the screen, which is the impact fraction multiplied by the distance fraction. In plain English, this is the greatest distance a component has moved divided by the screen size. For example, have you ever gone to press a button on a website and it moves at the last second? CLS is a complex process to sort out. Fortunately, our team can help you break down the advantages of utilizing Core Web Vitals in your digital marketing strategy.
It all comes down to regularly reviewing the core web vitals of your website. If you have lots of large images, slideshows, videos, and outdated plugins, the likelihood of you meeting a core web vital threshold is significantly lower. Using the right digital tools allows us to stay proactive in our approach to web health. We use software like PowerMapper to monitor ADA and browser capability issues, which helps us ensure plugins are updated or replaced with more effective tools to improve your core web vitals.
Typically, Google's algorithm updates happen without notice and often without clear guidelines. But the updates during the summer of 2021 were announced in advance and have been well documented. Moving forward, Google will consider Core Web Vital scores when determining PageRank. Your site's content needs to be effective, but it also needs to be technically sound to appear atop Google's ranking. When optimizing for search engines, it's now more important than ever to make sure your site loads quickly and efficiently.
We hope our insight helped you define and clarify the unique nature of Core Web Vitals. If you need assistance maximizing this component of your digital strategy, contact the Touchstone team. We'll gladly help you get started.